we'll solve some equations which are given in this particular format. We have to convert them into standard linear equation and then we have to find the solutions. So let us say 4 upon x. So I write down 4 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 7. This is the first equation. So this is equation number 1. Second equation is given as 3 upon x plus 4 upon y, and that is equal to 5. So these are the two equations which are not in regular format. We have to convert for this equation into linear equations format, that is equal to ax plus by is equal to c, and then we can solve the equations. So let's start doing this one. So I'll convert this in this way: 4 into 1 upon x, 4 into 1 upon x plus 5 into 1 upon y, that is equal to 7. This I can convert 3 into 1 upon x plus 4 into 1 upon y, and that is equal to 5. So here 1 upon x, 1 upon x, 1 upon y, 1 upon y, दोन्ही इक्वेशन मध्ये same entities आहेत. So I will write down let 1 upon x is equal to m and 1 upon y is equal to n, right? Then आपल्याला काय मिळतं आपलं इक्वेशन? So then equation 1 will become, so this will become 4 into 4m plus, this is a 5n is equal to 7. Second 3 into m, so this will become 3 into m plus 4n and is equal to 5. So this is the third equation we got, and this is the fourth equation we got. So now these two equations are in the standard format of linear equations. So we can solve these equations. आपल्याला दोन्ही प्लस प्लस आहे, we have to do elimination. Elimination करायचं असेल तर आपल्याला दोन्हीची व्हॅल्यू एकच पाहिजे. Then we can do subtraction. So I'll multiply whole of the equation. हे दोघांचं LCM काय ते बघूया आपण. So 5 4s are 20. So I'll multiply this equation by 4 and this equation I'll multiply by 5. So I'll multiplying this equation. So multiplying equation 3 with 4 ने multiply करतो and multiplying equation 4 with 5, right? आपल्याला काय मिळते बघा, याला 4 ने multiply केल्यावर काय मिळणार आपल्याला? 4 ने multiply 16m, so we'll get 16m plus 20n is equal to 28. That is our one equation. याला 4 ने multiply केल्याला find. So this is a 15m plus 20n. So I'm multiplying 5, so it's a 25. So this is. So now I have to cancel this, so I'll subtract. So this will be the minus, this will be minus, this will be minus. So 16 minus 15, I'll get m. This will get cancelled, and I'll get the 3. So I got the first answer, m is equal to 3. I can put the m is equal to 3 in any of this one. So putting this value, putting m is equal to 3 in equation 3, we get equation 3 मध्ये value आलो. So 4 into 3 plus 5n, n ची व्हॅल्यू काढायची आहे आपल्याला, that is equal to 7. So 5n is equal to 7 minus 12. So that is equal to minus 5. 5n is equal to minus 5. So n is equal to minus 1. So we got the value of n is equal to 3 and n is equal to minus 1. तुम्हाला वाटतं उत्तर संपलं? नाही. कारण आता आपण m आणि n ची व्हॅल्यू काढली आहे. आपल्याला x आणि y ची व्हॅल्यू काढायची आहे. आपल्याला व्हेरिएबल्स कुठले आहेत? x आणि y. तर x आणि y ची व्हॅल्यू काढायची. तर हाऊ वी कॅन कॅल्क्युलेट x and y ची व्हॅल्यू? So we got the value of m and n. So we know 1 upon x is equal to m. And that is equal to how much? 3. So 1 upon x is equal to 3. So x is equal to, I'll take 3 on this side, x on this side. So it is 1 upon 3. So we got the value of x is equal to 1 by 3. And n is equal to minus 1. So n is equal to minus 1. And n is equal to what? 1 upon y. 1 upon y. So I'll take y on this side and minus 1 on this side. So I'll get y is equal to minus 1. I think now you are getting this particular equation solved. So this is the easier method by converting a non-linear equation into linear equation. In Lyungia, we'll go to the next question. हे पुसूया. दुसरं इक्वेशन ला आपण जाऊ. खूप सोपं आहे. तुम्हाला कळायला पाहिजे फक्त की आपल्याला कुठल्या फॉर्म मध्ये कशी इक्वेशन्स आणता येतील. Once you bring in that format, then it's very easy to solve the equation. So let us do one more example on page number 18 of your book. So it's given 4 upon x minus y plus 1 upon x plus y is equal to 3. And there is one more equation, 2 upon x minus y minus 3 upon x plus y is equal to 5. This is also not a linear equation कारण denominator x minus y गेलेला आहे. त्याची essential condition काय आहे? This denominator should not be equal to 0. x minus y should not be equal to 0 or x plus y should not be 0. ही झाली पहिली कंडिशन. दोन्ही इक्वेशन मध्ये x minus y सेम पाहिजे. x plus y सेम पाहिजे. इथं x minus y, इथं 2x minus y, इथं x plus y, इथं x plus 2y वेगवेगळे व्हेरिएबलचे कोएफिशिएंट चालणार नाही. Right? So all the denominators should be same. Now we have to convert these equations into our standard linear equations. So we can do it by assuming. So I can write these equations like this way. 4, or I'll do it here. So 4 into bracket 1 upon x minus y plus 1 into 1 upon x plus y is equal to 3. Right? So this is the first equation. This equation I can write down 2 into 1 upon x minus y plus 3 into bracket 1 upon x plus y is equal to 1. So थोडं जरा मी rearrange केलंय. So now let आता हे दोन्ही व्हॅल्यू एक आहेत. So I can write down let 1 upon x minus y is equal to m, right? And 1 upon x plus y is equal to n. या दोन्ही व्हॅल्यू आपण इथे पुट अप करू and let us see what equations we get. So we'll get here 1 upon x minus y. So 4 into m plus this is equal to n. So 1n, so it's simply n is equal to 3. So this is the first equation now we are getting. Secondly, here 2 into m plus 3n is equal to 5. This is the second equation. So here this two equation we can solve. इथं 3n आहे, इथं n आहे. Either I can multiply this second equation by 2. So 2 ने multiply केलं 4m मिळेल. I can cancel 4n, or I can multiply the first equation by 3. So I can 3n I can cancel. जे तुम्हाला योग्य वाटते त्या प्रकारे तुम्ही करू शकता. So I can write down here multiplying equation 2 with 2 we get equation 2 with 2. ह्याला 2 ने मल्टिप्लाय करतो. So I get 4m plus 6n is equal to 10. So this is the third equation. ह्याला मी 2 ने मल्टिप्लाय करेल. So this I have multiplied with 2. I will bring the first equation here. So 4m plus n is equal to 3. Is equal to 3. I made a small mistake. So minus here. So it should be minus here. So this should be minus here. So this should be minus here. Okay. So this should be minus here. So I'll subtract these two equations. So this will become minus, this will become minus. No, there is no need of subtraction. Oh, I have to do subtraction. Okay, minus here, minus here, minus here, right? So this will get cancelled. Minus 6n minus n minus 7n is equal to 7. So n is equal to minus 1. So this is the one I got it. N is equal to minus 1. If I put this n is equal to minus 1 in equation number 1. So if I put minus 1 here, so putting n is equal to minus 1 in equation 1, right? So we'll get 4m minus 1 is equal to 3. So that implies 4m is equal to 4 and m is equal to 1. So we got m is equal to 1 and n is equal to minus 1. So because I made plus here, so I got little confused with the values. So now we got m is equal to 1 and n is equal to minus 1. So m म्हणजे काय आहे? m is equal to 1 upon x minus 1. So m is equal to 1 is equal to 1 upon x minus y. So I'll take on this side. So we'll get x minus y is equal to 1. X minus y is equal to 1. And n is equal to minus 1. And that is equal to 1 upon x plus y. So I'll take on this side. So I'll get x plus y is equal to minus 1. X plus y is equal to minus 1. So I got these two equations. So this is the equation, this is the equation. So I'll add these two equations. X minus y is equal to 1. X plus y is equal to minus 1. So I'll add this will get cancelled. 2x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0. So I got the value of x is equal to 0. If I put this value x is equal to 0 in any of this equation, then y will be equal to minus 1. So y will be equal to minus 1. So this is the solution of this particular equation. तुमच्या बुक मध्ये प्रॅक्टिस शीट नंबर 1.4 आहे. प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.4. प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.4 पेज नंबर 19.